Hello, salam alaikum. Greetings to you from wherever you are watching this video. Please, if you are coming across to this channel for the first time, we urge you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are beginners on YouTube and we really need your support by subscribing to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at how we can expand the general equation of a circle, which is written here. So this is what we are going to look at today, how to expand this general equation of a circle. X minus a close bracket is square plus y minus b is square is equal to r square. So we said this is the equation of a circle when the center of the circle is at the point a and b. So a and b represents the coordinate of the center. So in this one here, we used to get this one here. We derive this formula from that first one, from this one here. So now this is what we need to look at right now, how we can get this equation. So it is this equation that has been expanded like that. Okay, now let us start. So as you have seen here, there is this first part where you have x minus a square. So you have to first expand that first part. So x minus a square means that it is x minus a times x minus a. So that is what is meant by that. So if we expand this one here, we will have x times x, so which will give us x squared. So we'll have x squared here. Then x times negative a, it will give you negative a x. Then negative a here times x, so you will get here negative a x again. Negative a times negative a, you will have positive a squared. You will have positive a squared. So this is what you will get in this expansion of the first bracket. Then now, so you need to simplify this, so you can add it here. Now you have x squared, you have x squared, then negative ax plus minus ax, that one will give you what is called negative 2. You will have negative ax, you will have negative ax, then plus a square plus a square. You see, so this is what you will get in the first expansion, in this one here, when you expand that. So look here, in the second bracket, y is like x here is in the first place, then a is in the second place as well as b, and they have a square. So what we can do here, let just, instead of going through all these steps, so let's look at where there is x here, substitute y. So, and where there is a, substitute b. So this will be like, since you are adding the two here, this bracket and this one here, so you will have what? You will have this one here. Let me remove this. So you will have now plus, plus, this plus here, this plus. So plus y minus b square. This is going to be y square. This is going to be y square minus 2. We said in place of a we put b. 2b, instead of in place of x we put y, by, then plus a square, and a, we in place of a we say b square. So is this one here plus this one is equal to r square. So this is equal to r square. So when you expand that, now what you have to do in this scenario, so you need to group this thing together, x and y, which are variable, together, like x square plus y square. Then now you collect this one here with a with the two variables b and y, and this one a and y at first, then this thing later alone. Okay, so now what we'll have here, we'll have x squared. So let's write x squared first. X squared plus, we take y, plus y squared. X squared plus y squared. So then we bring this one minus 2 ax minus 2ax, then minus 2b minus 2by minus 2by, then plus a square plus a square plus a square, then plus b square plus b square. Now r on this side, we need to take it to the left hand side, so it is going to be minus r square is equal to 0, because nothing remains on the right hand side. So this is the equation. Now in this equation, where you have this thing here, where you have negative 2ax, and this one here is negative 2by. So what you will do is that you will represent negative a with the g, and then negative b with the what, with the f. So here you will say that let g be equal to what, be equal to negative a, and what, and f is equal to negative b. So when you replace this thing here, so you will have x squared plus y squared plus what, plus 2gx, because negative a is represented by what, by g. So plus 2gx, then plus 2 fg, then plus a is presented by what, by so what we will do here, these three terms, a square plus b square minus r square will be equated to c. We will say they are equal to c. a square plus b square minus r square is equal to c. So then now we remove them in the equation. So this is what we will have. So here we will have what, we will have x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So, and this is the expanded what, general equation of a circle at when the center is a and b. So if you are given a question to solve, like to find the value of c here, or the value of r, or the value of r here, so what do you do? So in any equation, any value that is at this side which is not having the variable x and y or f, so that is going to be constant, which is represented by c. You see, which is represented by c. And also, to if you are told find the radius of the circle, and you will be given just a number in form of this equation, so what you will do, you will say that sin g square plus f square minus r square is equal to c. So you need to make r as the subject by taking it to other side of equation and bring this one back here. So r square is going to be on one side, which is going to be r square. So that is where you will take it as a square root on the other side, is equal to the square root of what, of g square plus f f square minus c. So this is how you can get the radius, the radius of the circle. So r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. You got that? What about the coordinate of a center? How do you get coordinates? Assuming you are asked, your equation is in this form, and you are asked what is the equation, what are the coordinates of the center? So the coordinates of center in form of a and b are a, b. So in form of what? Of f and g. So coordinates of center are negative what? Negative g and negative f. So these are the coordinates of center. So assuming let's say let's have the equation down here. Let's do this one together. So, and don't forget of these two equations. So this equation and the above one that is not expanded. Then this is the formula for getting what? For getting the radius. Radius of a circle is equal to square root of